Hi dear students, welcome back to today's class. The topic is whistleblowing. See, ethics in human resource management. This is one of the very important topics, that is whistleblowing. In previous class we have discussed regarding discrimination. Unfair practice, injustice way of providing facilities to the employee, or partiality, or giving importance to few employee in organization, not to everyone, or inequality, right? That is discrimination. The present employers in small, large and medium scale business organizations, based on gender, based on religion, based on region, based on their political background and other aspects, they used to discriminate the employee during selection, recruitment, promotions, while fixing salaries or compensation or remunerations to the employee, right? The management used to treat employee differently in the organization. That is discrimination. Dear students, in HRM, in ethics in human resource management itself, there is one more very important topic, that is whistleblowing. So this is up to a certain extent fair practice, and we consider whistleblowing as both fair and unfair. Fair and unfair. So here fair and unfair depends on the purpose of usage. The way of using, the way of implementation depends on the way of implementation and applications. We decide some of the activities like fair whistleblowing and some activities as unfair whistleblowing. Both ethical and unethical, 50-50, right? Combination of both, 50-50, ethical and unethical, fair and unfair, justifiable and unjustifiable, right? Both good and bad. Before going to that, before going to the applications and features of whistleblowing, let us come to know what is whistleblowing. Whistleblowing, nothing but passing information or disclosing company's information or disclosing for particular organization information to the outsiders or to other people, to the competitors. That is called whistleblowing. Whistleblowing, nothing but disclosing company's confidential information or disclosing company's secrets or disclosing company's very important matters to the external world, to the outsiders, to the competitors, to the colleagues, to the other workers in the organization. Is whistleblowing, is called whistleblowing. Some employees in the organization, for the sake of money, for the sake of pocket money, for the sake of earning more cash, they disclose company secrets to the competitors regarding company production size, regarding company's technology, regarding company's internal operations, internal methods, internal plans, right? Some employees, they disclose matters, they pass information to the outsiders. This is a kind of whistleblowing. And another kind, or another one of the very important types of whistleblowing, internal whistleblowing. There are two types of whistleblowing. One is internal whistleblowing Another one is external whistleblowing. Internal whistleblowing means the employees of the organization, example manager or assistant manager, right? The managers and the assistant managers, they used to attend the meetings, board meetings, right? In the board meetings regarding company developments, regarding company expansion, regarding production of new products, right? The top level people, they used to discuss with the managers and all. So here the managers, once they come out from the meeting, right, they disclose what and all matters have discussed in a meeting. All those matters they disclose to their subordinates, they disclose to everybody in the organization. Actually that is very confidential as management instructed, right? So that matter or company plans and all should not be disclosed until and unless will convert into action. But your managers and assistant managers, they disclose all company confidentiality and very important secrets to the employees of the organization. This is internal whistleblowing. Whether that is intentional or unintentional, whether that is disclosing to damage the company reputation or ruin the company reputation or not, that is immaterial. But being a manager, being an assistant manager, they must follow the instructions of top level management. They should not disclose any matters until and unless management instruct manager to disclose that information to the subordinates. They should not leak the information. They should not pass the information. Right? But the managers, they disclose information to the employees of the organization and other people. That is internal whistleblowing within the organization. Dear students, whistleblowing within the organization, that is internal whistleblowing. Okay, external whistleblowing means disclosing company secrets to the competitors, disclosing company secrets to media, disclosing company secrets to the government authorities, government departments, disclosing company secrets to the society, and disclosing company's information to the neighbor, family members and friends. That is external whistleblowing. Now let us come to know which are ethical and which are unethical whistleblowings. Means activities which are fall under ethical and activities which will fall under unethical process. So ethical and unethical whistleblowing, dear students, right? In a textbook you will not get this concept, but for the knowledge sake, let us discuss ethical whistleblowing, unethical whistleblowing. Right? Ethical and unethical whistleblowing. Example, I am a manager in XYZ company, right? To damage my company, to put an end to my company's existence, right? To damage my company's name and reputation intentionally for the sake of money, right? I am disclosing company's confidentiality, company's internal operations, company secrets, company plans, company procedures, company's techniques, everything to the competitors, to ABC company. Amen. Right? XYZ company manager, right? I am disclosing XYZ company or my company secrets and all to ABC company. Here ABC company means the competitor to XYZ. This is unethical whistleblowing for the sake of money. If I disclose my company's information to ABC company, they give 1 lakh rupee per month. For the sake of 1 lakh rupee, I am going to damage my company. Right? I am going to damage my company's reputation and my company's name. I am going to damage my company's profit, company's survival, company's growth and development. This is unethical whistleblowing. Right? Sorry, students. Yes, unethical whistleblowing. But what is ethical whistleblowing? Here, ethical whistleblowing means my company owner, Mr. Ravi, the owner of this organization, is doing illegal business. Actually, he has appointed employees in the name of conducting legal business, but he is doing illegal business, and at the same time he is producing less quality products, right? And he is selling those products and things as highly quality and best products to the consumers, and my factory owner is instructing us to produce less quality, instructing us to produce spurious, dangerous, harmful products, and my factory is selling very dangerous products to the customer. My factory is giving wrong advertisement to the consumer. My factory is producing illegal products. My factory is moving against the government rules and regulations. That time, I send all these information to the government. I send all these information to the Ministry of Industries. I am sending all these information to media. That is ethical whistleblowing, students. This is ethical. Why? To protect the interest of public, to protect the interest of customer, right? I am disclosing, companies' unfair activities to the media. That is called ethical whistleblowing. This is appreciable. Ethical whistleblowing is appreciable, right? Government will reward you. Government will appreciate you. Government will recognize you. Why? Being an employee of the organization, right? You are doing your responsibility towards the society. How? Right? You are bringing companies' unethical practices to the light. Right? You are bringing companies' unethical activities to the light. And you are telling that to the government, you are telling that to the government department, you are telling that to the media. That is ethical whistleblowing. So, unethical whistleblowing is punishable. It will be penalized. You should pay penalty. Right? This is offensive. Students, unethical whistleblowing is offensive. If you disclose company secrets to the external world for the sake of money, that too company's good information, if you disclose, that is highly unethical and it is offensive. But ethical whistleblowing, this is not an offensive practice. This is good. This is fair. This is highly ethical. So, whistleblowing, what is whistleblowing? Whistleblowing means it refers to disclosing company's information or company's confidential information or company's secrets, company methods, company operations and company plans to the others or within the organization or in the society is called whistleblowing. In whistleblowing, there are two types, internal whistleblowing and external whistleblowing. Internal whistleblowing means disclosing company's secrets and information within the organization by manager or superiors. Internal whistleblowing. External whistleblowing, right? Disclosing company's secrets and company information to the external world, right? To friends, to other government departments, to other people, to the competitors. That is external whistleblowing. And here, based on the nature of whistleblowing, in the criteria, the nature of whistleblowing, there are two types. One is ethical whistleblowing, unethical whistleblowing. Right? Here, ethical whistleblowing, this is fair, means here we are bringing company unethical practices to the light and we are informing to the government to take action on company, and we are informing to the media to question the company to stop unethical practices. That is called ethical whistleblowing. Unethical whistleblowing means company's confidentiality, company's information, company's secrets for the sake of money. We are selling company's information to the outsiders. That is unethical. This is highly offensive. Dear students, go ahead with this topic and go ahead with many sources to gather and achieve information regarding whistleblowing, because you all are PG students. Don't depend on single source. Go ahead with many sources to collect the information regarding whistleblowing and try to collect more and more examples regarding whistleblowing. All the very best, my dear students. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do share, subscribe and comment.